the changes in symptoms that are associated with hormone changes, perimenopause and
Mm.
beyond. It's a wonderful scale. I just became aware of it just recently, so I'm in the process of kind of replicating that for the diabetes community to put in a few more symptoms that are blood sugar related that we can relate to. But I love that idea because it really is. It's like you said, and you emphasized how important it is to write things down,
Yeah.
to to note this. And if you're looking at, just a scale of 20 symptoms, and it's asking you from a scale of 0 to 5, 0 being no problem at all, 3 to extreme, and you can just say, this is how I'm feeling today, and to keep track of that and to note that and to refer back to that and to have something. I love it because it's a physical thing. It should be on the doctor's office, and it should be on every OBGYN's wall, or maybe even part of their questionnaire when they're coming in,
Right.
seeing new appointments, just so not only you understand it, but the doctor can understand where you're coming from and where you're starting from. But I see that this could be used with the fibromyalgia as well. Because again, all these things, just like we said at the very beginning, they overlap.
They
And
do.
yeah.
Yeah. So I do think that tracking your symptoms is really important
Mhm.
because, again, we forget, right? If
Yeah.
somebody asked you how you felt on the 14th of September,
Yeah.
would you know?
Right.
Probably not. And
Right.
when you go into your doctor, if you are thinking that, maybe there's more going on here, maybe I need to explore something like a fibromyalgia diagnosis,
Mhm.
there is a big difference going to your doctor and saying, right now, today, my pain is an 8, and going to your doctor and handing them your tracking log that shows, oh, you've been between a 6 and an 8 for the past 3 weeks, right? That is a big, big difference.
I think so
So I
too.
think that's a good thing to do, is to start tracking, even if it's just for your own, do I need to go to the doctor, or is this just a weird moment, right? So tracking that, I've got a symptom tracking log. It's very simple. It's just fatigue, pain, and then, did you have to take any medications to help
Sounds
you
very
manage that?
similar.
Yeah,
Yes, yes.
yeah,
I love that. Yeah.
yeah.
And another part of that too, and yeah, we're definitely going sideways here, but this is really good information because both with what you're dealing with fibromyalgia and diabetes, there's things we got to do to kind to mitigate those feelings. And in our case, it's blood sugar, it's energy, it's basically that's it. But there's a whole lot other things too. It's like the sleep, the cortisol, all those things that impact the way our blood
Yes.
sugar is going to respond. But I love that idea. And I'm assuming your scale does this as well. You're giving me some ideas too. As I continue to build my scale, I have my admin that's working on that right now. Is So what did that result in? If you were feeling if you were weak with resistance overnight with your blood sugar, so what did you do with that? What was your move? What
Mhm.
choice did you have to make? I think that emphasizes, oh, I had to get up and take 5 more units of insulin 5 nights
Exactly.
last week. That is a
Yes.
stamp on, okay, something has changed. Insulin resistance is hitting, and it's hitting hard. And then if we can track it back again, to our cycle time and all of that, a way to do, which is so easy to do because, all these can be calendar driven too. Anyway, I'm getting
Mhm.
excited just
Mhm.
talking about it, but I love the idea because on
Yeah.
paper, noted, and not only rated, but noted is
Yes, because
that
if you
is,
have to take more medication, more
yeah,
insulin, more pain meds, whatever it is,
yeah,
or if, the opposite end, right? If you drop too
yeah,
low, right?
right.
Um,
Absolutely.
those kinds of things also tell our doctors things, right?
Right.